Hi, my name is Russ Boynton. I'm a senior field applications engineer with the public safety segment of FARO Technologies. I'm here to speak to you about the subject of merging drone point clouds with point clouds created from the FARO Focus scanners. You may have purchased or you are in the process of purchasing a drone to take aerial photographs of your crash or crime scene, but do you know that your drone can take images that can then be converted to a three-dimensional point cloud? Many of you may have purchased that drone simply for the purpose of taking aerial images of your scene and not thought about using that data or those images to create a point cloud, and therefore being able to take measurements, dimensions, for example, create 3D models or fly through videos using that data. The process for doing that in using the FARO Zone software is called photo points. It's creating those images from photographs captured by your drone, any drone for that matter, and then that data is then creating a point cloud. The point cloud process, a creation process from your images, is called photogrammetry. The photo points software in FARO also has the capability or provides the capability of you creating a point cloud not only from images but from video. It's called videogrammetry. Just like a point cloud captured by the FARO Terrestrial laser scanner, your drone data can be used to take measurements and produce courtroom deliverables, such as orthographic photos, fly-through videos, and scaled diagrams. Typical application of this would be that your focus scanner is used to capture data at a higher resolution or more accurate measurement, such as plus or minus 1 millimeter, and then that data is then augmented or added to information or images, a point cloud created from drone data, say a flight around that building, where you're expanding the scope of your scene. So you're including in your scene not only the interior measurements captured by a scanner, but the exterior measurements captured by a drone. In the case of a drone capture, the point cloud is typically measured in inches as opposed to millimeters. So obviously that information, that data is much less accurate than that data provided to you by the laser scanner. Once the two point clouds are created, one from the scanner and one from the drone, then those two point clouds are then aligned in the FARO Zone 3D Expert or Expert Plus software to create one merged point cloud.